Welcome to Hey Dr. Sue. So people submit their sex questions to me anonymously, and once a week I post one question and one answer. Do you have a sex question you've always wanted answered? Go ahead and check out the description for information on how to submit it anonymously. This week's question is, what can a person do when she can't enjoy sex with her partner? She doesn't have any sense of enjoyment. I do want to point out the original question actually wrote, can enjoy, and then in parentheses, orgasm. This is really important to talk about, and we'll get there in a second. This is one of the times that I really wish I could ask a follow-up question, because what I really want to ask is it just about the lack of an orgasm, or is there truly no enjoyment? In this country, when it comes to sex, we tend to equate orgasm with pleasure, and that's a problem because the two don't always go together. Some people can really enjoy what they're doing with a partner and never orgasm. Other people can orgasm, but may not really find the whole experience enjoyable. If there's truly no enjoyment, then I think it's time to have a couple of conversations. The first is between the woman and herself. She has to ask herself if there was a time that she ever enjoyed sex with her partner. If she did enjoy it before, but now she doesn't, she has to ask herself what's changed. And probably one of the harder questions to think about, is this a sex issue or is it a bigger relationship issue? For some people, it's really hard to get turned on when they're angry at their partner or frustrated with their relationship, and simply trying to pretend that things are okay may lead to less than enjoyable sex. Once she has the answers for herself, she needs to think about what she wants to do next. If this is a relationship issue, I think she needs to address that first. This is when the next conversation happens. She needs to talk to her partner, tell them that she's not enjoying sex. If there's a relationship problem, then they need to talk about that. If it's purely a sexual thing, then they should talk about what they both want to try to do and address that. I would actually suggest they stop having penetrative intercourse for a while. That doesn't necessarily mean they should stop being intimate altogether. She and her partner can define what boundaries they want to try, like maybe all the kissing, fondling, and oral sex they want, but no penetrative intercourse. Sometimes when people take penetrative intercourse off the table as an option, it allows them the ability to rediscover what else they can do that turns on their partner, what other types of sex play they enjoy. Maybe it's time to turn to sexting during the day as a way to rebuild intimacy and anticipation. Maybe it's about mutual masturbation so they can get themselves off while their partner watches. It's really up to them to figure out together what they can do to make their time together more pleasurable. Until next time, be safe and have fun. Did you enjoy that video? If so, make sure to like it. Also, make sure to subscribe. It lets you know when new videos are coming out and it helps to support the channel. Check out the description for information on how to find me on Instagram and Medium.